Advanced robotics used in automotive production. Advanced robotics. Advanced industrial robots, also known as smart machines, operate autonomously and can communicate directly with manufacturing systems. In some advanced manufacturing contexts, they can work with humans for co-assembly tasks. 12. By evaluating sensory input and distinguishing between different product configurations, these machines are able to solve problems and make decisions independent of people. These robots are able to complete work beyond what they were initially programmed to do and have artificial intelligence that allows them to learn from experience. 5. These machines have the flexibility to be reconfigured and repurposed. This gives them the ability to respond rapidly to design changes and innovation, which is a competitive advantage over more traditional manufacturing processes. 13. An area of concern surrounding advanced robotics is the safety and well-being of the human workers who interact with robotic systems. Traditionally, measures have been taken to segregate robots from the human workforce, but advances in robotic cognitive ability have opened up opportunities, such as cobots, for robots to work collaboratively with people. 14. Cloud computing allows large amounts of data storage or computational power to be rapidly applied to manufacturing, and allow a large amount of data on machine performance and output quality to be collected. This can improve machine configuration, predictive maintenance, and fault analysis. Better predictions can facilitate better strategies for ordering raw materials or scheduling production runs. However, 3D printing developed so much in recent years that it is no longer used just as technology for prototyping. 3D printing sector is moving beyond prototyping, especially it is becoming increasingly widespread in supply chains. An unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is defined as a powered aerial vehicle that does not carry a human operator, uses aerodynamic forces to provide vehicle lift, can fly autonomously or be piloted remotely, can be expendable or recoverable, and can carry a lethal or non-lethal payload. 14. UAV is a term that is commonly applied to military use cases. 15. Missiles with warheads are generally not considered UAVs because the vehicle itself is a munition, but certain types of propeller-based missile are often called kamikaze drones by the public and media.